Hi everyone, welcome to online classes 6th class science. In this video, let us discuss 6th class science chapter 1, the food we need. Part 4, preservation of food. Preservation of food. The food we need. Already we are discussing from 3 classes onwards. Already before 3 classes completed. In that classes we have discussed first one, common food items. So common food items like everyday morning, afternoon lunch, evening dinner. So what are the common food items we are eating? Like rice, dosa, chapati, idli, curry, curd, butter, milk. These are all common food items we have discussed in the previous classes. And variety of food items. Variety of food items we generally during the occasions like birthday parties, marriage functions, so on so like that during the occasions time. So we'll use variety of food items. And food ingredients. So what is food ingredients? The material required to prepare different foods, like that material is called food ingredients. Already we discussed in the previous videos. And one more, sources of food. Sources of food ingredient, that means food ingredients coming from either from plants or animals or other sources. That is also we discussed. And next one, methods of preparation of food. So after getting different types of ingredients, how to prepare food, that is very important method, that is methods of preparation of food. So now in this video, the very interesting thing and very important thing. So without that, our discussion is not completed about food. Food preservation. Preservation of food. What is preservation of food? What is food preservation? Let us see here. Those who have textbook, open the textbook and see this paragraph. The discussion about food will be incomplete if we do not talk about food preservation. So our complete discussion about food, the food we need. So without talking about preservation, our discussion is incomplete. So what is food preservation? Food preservation is the process. Food preservation is a process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down spoilage. That means without getting spoiled, we have to treat the food, we have to handle the food. So that process is called food preservation. If food is not preserved properly, it can be attacked by germs and get spoiled. So that's why we have to preserve the food properly. Otherwise what happens? Germs will attack. So then food will spoil. So after that, if you eat a spoiled food, what happens? Eating such a spoiled food causes food poison. So that is called food poison. Food poison is nothing but spoiled food. If you eat, you will get food poison. So eating such poisonous food causes abdominal pain. Stomach pain will call abdominal pain, diarrhea, loose motions, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. So and may eventually lead to death. Sometimes people may die because of food poison. Spoiling the food may lead to food shortage. Food shortage, making the food short. That means food is not available afterwards. If you have now plenty of food, that means you are not using properly, you are wasting, then in the future the food will be short, it's not available. And pollute the environment also, spoiling the food and throwing in the environment. What happens? The environment will be polluted. So hence it is very essential to preserve food properly. That is why we have to preserve the food properly. How is the food preserved at your home? Ask your mother and father, they will explain, or you can ask your grandparents also. How is the food preserved at your home? Different ways are there. Do you know why the green mangoes, vegetables and meat are pickled? Green mangoes, పచ్చి మామిడికాయలు, వెజిటబుల్స్ కూరగాయలు, మీట్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా పచ్చళ్ళు పెడతా ఉంటారు. ఎందుకు? వై ఫిష్ ఆర్ డ్రైడ్ ఆర్ స్మోక్డ్? ఫిష్ని ఎండబెడుతూ ఉంటారు, స్మోక్ చేసి ఎండబెడుతూ ఉంటారు. ఫర్ వాట్? వై డు వీ కీప్ సర్టెన్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఇన్ షుగర్ సిరప్ ఆర్ హనీ? షుగర్ సిరప్లోను హనీలోను ఫ్రూట్స్ని పెడుతూ ఉంటారు. ఫర్ వాట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్? దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద సర్టెన్ మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రిజర్వింగ్ ఫుడ్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ మెథడ్స్ keeping the fruits in sugar syrup or honey, and pickling and drying. So these are all methods of preserving food. So the materials or substances that we use in preserving food are called preservatives. What are preservatives? Materials which we are using or substances that we are using in preserving food are called preservatives. You can underline that line. So some examples also given here: salt, oil, turmeric powder, sugar, honey, etc. So these are all again salt, oil, turmeric powder, sugar and honey. So these are all the natural preservatives that are commonly used at our home. Natural preservatives these are. And some chemical preservatives also is there, such as benzoates, nitrates, sulfates are also used as preservatives, but these are all chemicals, artificial preservatives. Okay, we have to careful while using these artificial preservatives. But some of the chemical preservatives are harmful. Why we have to take care? Some of the chemical preservatives are harmful, dangerous for our health. So we should be careful while using the preserved food bought from the market. So whatever the food items we are buying from the outside, so they will use certain chemicals for preserving the food. So we have to be careful. Okay, so certain precautions we have to be taken. Okay, let us see. So here we have some methods of preservations like mango pickling and sugar syrup or honey, okay, using to store the fruits and vegetables. You can also watch the images. So here we have a activity 5. Let us store food. So how to store food, what are the methods we have to follow, and what are the types of preservatives we have to use. Here activity 5 is there. Those have textbook. Watch the activity 5. List out different preservatives used at your home and discuss in groups about the different preservative methods. Now it is not possible to discuss with a group because we are at home. So you can take the help of your parents or brothers and sisters. Ask your parents the other ways of preserving the food they follow and fill in the table 7 given below. So I will also help you, don't worry, I will help you, so you can fill the table 7, preserve the food. So first one, adding salt, chili powder and oil. So example is given, pickles, salt, chili powder, oil, so pickles. Next one, adding only salt. So only, sometimes people use a salt and add to some vegetables or some food like fish. Okay, so mango pieces, adding salt and dry uppulo mokkalanta. So we can also write that. Adding sugar syrup, some fruits, vegetables also we can store in sugar syrup, and some more methods also you can write. Okay, I will show you some more pictures you can see. So this is also one of the method of preserving fish, adding only salt, adding salt and drying the fish in the sun. Okay, so you have to keep in mind, and some more examples also, types of preservatives examples also you can add. I will show you. So before that, Below the table, two important lines are there. You can see when you buy any food item in the market, lo ఏదైనా food item కొన్నప్పుడు you have to remember one thing. Don't forget to read the manufacturing date. Manufacturing date. Simply you can shortcut, we can call MFD. They will write MFD, manufacturing date, తయారీ అయిన రోజు. And expiry date. Expiry date, that is also you have to, you can see on the packet. So eating the food material after the expiry date may spoil your health. You should not eat after the expiry date. After the expiry date, if you are eating, that means you are eating poison food. It's not good for your health. Take care. Next. So this is also one of the best method for preserving food like a fish. This method is called smoking. Smoking is a best method for preserving fish in industries, big industries. They will follow this method, smoking, to preserve the fish. So here some methods are given. You can see and fill the table. Types of preservatives, examples. So serial number 1, types of preservatives, examples. First one, adding salt, chili powder and oil. So examples is given, pickles. You can write pickles, different pickles like mango pickle, lemon pickle, so like that, vegetable pickles. And second one, adding only salt. So examples, fish and vadiyalu. So vadiyalu, we know during the summer our parents also prepare vadiyalu. And third one, adding sugar syrup. So examples what? Jams, jam. Fourth one, buttermilk and salt. Buttermilk, salt. So adding buttermilk and salt. So examples what? ఓర మిరపకాయ, ఓర మిరపకాయలు, చల్ల మిరపకాయలు అంటాం కదా అది. ఫిఫ్త్ వన్, యాడింగ్ షుగర్ ఓన్లీ. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కండెన్స్డ్ మిల్క్, కండెన్స్డ్ మిల్క్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, వెనిగర్. వెనిగర్ we are using for pickled cucumber, pickled cucumber. So these are the some examples of preservatives and example food. Next you can see, think and discuss in the textbook. So reduce wastage of food. Nowadays we see lot of food getting wasted in all places. Food wastage is happening in our houses, schools and other places like hostels, hotels, etc. on daily and special occasions. What are the ways to avoid wastage of food? Discuss with your teacher. So nowadays if you observe what happens, most of the food, lot of the food getting wasted. So if you observe during the hotels, yes, during the functions, so a lot of food will be wasted. So what we can do? What we can do to reduce the wastage of food? Let us see here. I will give some tips to follow to reduce the wastage of food. Ways to avoid wastage of food. So certain ways if you follow, you can reduce the wastage of food. Let's see what is that. First one, first we should decide for how many persons we are preparing food. Overestimation leads to wastage of food. So this point for person who is preparing food, కుక్ అన్నమాట. కుక్ కోసం చెప్తూ ఉన్నాం. ఫుడ్ తయారు చేసే వాళ్ళకు ఏం దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకోవాలంటే, వీ షుడ్ డిసైడ్ ఫర్ హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్ వీఆర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫుడ్. ఎంతమందికి ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా ఎస్టిమేషన్ వేసుకోవాలి. సో ఓవర్ ఎస్టిమేషన్ వేయకూడదు. ఓవర్ ఎస్టిమేషన్ లీడ్స్ టు వేస్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్. ఓవర్ ఎస్టిమేషన్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే మిగిలిపోయిన ఫుడ్ అంతా వేస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్, while serving we should serve in the required quantity. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ కుక్ చేసే వాళ్ళ కోసం చెప్పాం, కుక్కి. అండ్ సెకండ్ పాయింట్ ఫర్ పీపుల్ హూ ఈజ్ సర్వింగ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, వైల్ సర్వింగ్ వీ షుడ్ సర్వ్ ఇన్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ క్వాంటిటీ. అడగాలి తినేవాళ్ళకి ఎంత కావాలో, ఎంత వడ్డించాలో తెలుసుకొని వడ్డించాలి. ఒకేసారి ప్లేట్ నిండా పెట్టేసి నా పని అయిపోయిందని వెళ్ళి టీవీ చూస్తూ ఉండకూడదు. కొంచెం కొంచెం వడ్డించాలి, దగ్గరుండి తగినంత ఇవ్వాలి. సో దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ అవాయిడ్ వేస్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్. నెక్స్ట్, we should receive the required quantity but not more. Some people likes to receive more. Even they are not able to eat, they will ask and get more food and afterwards they will throw in the dustbin. చాలా కావాలి, ప్లేట్ నిండా కావాలి, కానీ తినలేరు, ఆశ. సో ఇది మానుకోవాలి, కావలసినంత తీసుకోవాలి, ఎక్కువ తీసుకుని తినకుండా చెత్తలో పడేయకూడదు. సో we should receive the required quantity but not more. And fourth one, we should not prepare a number of dishes in the name of prestige and with competition. So number of dishes, people prepare number of dishes during the occasions like marriage function, birthday function, this function, that function. Okay, వాళ్ళు 25 ఐటమ్స్ చేశారు వాళ్ళ మ్యారేజ్లో, మేము 30 ఐటమ్స్ చేయించాలి. వాళ్ళు 30 చేపిస్తే మేము 40 ఐటమ్స్ చేయించాలి. ప్రెస్టీజ్, కాంపిటీషన్, పేరు కావాలి, పలానా వాళ్ళు ఇన్ని రకాల వంటలు పెట్టారు. ఈ ప్రెస్టీజ్తో పీపుల్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిషెస్ దే విల్ ప్రిపేర్, బట్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ గెట్ వేస్టెడ్. చాలా ఫుడ్ వేస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది అనమాట. సో వీ షుడ్ నాట్ ప్రిపేర్ ఎ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిషెస్ ఇన్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రెస్టీజ్ అండ్ విత్ కాంపిటీషన్. అండ్ ఫిఫ్త్ వన్, వీ షుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ రిమెంబర్ దట్ ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ వాల్యుబుల్ అండ్ వీ షుడ్ నాట్ వేస్టేజ్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ ఆల్వేస్ వన్ థింగ్, ద ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ వాల్యుబుల్. అన్నము పరబ్రహ్మ స్వరూపం. ఆహారం అనేది దేవుడిచ్చినటువంటి వరం, కానుక, బహుమతి. దట్ ఈస్ వై వీ షుడ్ నాట్ వేస్టెడ్. రైతు కష్టపడి ఎన్నో రోజులు కష్టపడి తయారు చేసినటువంటి ఆహారాన్ని మనము కొన్ని నిమిషాల్లో కొంచెం తిని పడేస్తూ ఉంటారన్నమాట. సో దట్ ఈస్ వై వీ షుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ రిమెంబర్ దట్ ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ వాల్యుబుల్ and we should not waste it. So my dear students, keep in mind these 5 important points, then you can reduce the wastage of food. Let us come to home task. First question, what is preservation of food? Second question, what are preserved with sugar or honey? Third question, if food is not preserved properly, what would happen? Fourth question, what are preservatives? Give examples. You can give examples of natural preservatives and also chemicals also. And fifth one, MFD stands for, that means full form of MFD, which we will observe on the food, packed food in the market. Okay, in the market when you buy packed food, you will observe MFD. Thank you my dear students, I am waiting for your homework. So we are taking so much time and interest to prepare videos. You also you have to watch completely, and whatever the homework is given, home task is given, please complete. So many people are neglecting, some students are doing regularly, so I am appreciating them. So I am expecting the same from all the students. Parents also need to encourage, dear parents, encourage your children to do or to complete homework. So everyone should complete the homework and send through WhatsApp. So in the group itself, so every day so many people are sending attendance, your name and roll number. That's not enough. That's not enough. You have to watch the video completely and then write your homework, then send. Then only we can understand that you are regularly watching. So keep this one in the mind. So follow regularly and complete the home task. Thank you.